let me ask you a simple question. When you were in Nigeria, how often did you eat foods like Akara, moi, garri, and other Nigerian foods? Almost every day, right? But the moment many of us relocate abroad, we suddenly forget these foods and begin to depend heavily on foreign foods. Don't get me wrong, I am not saying other countries' foods are bad. Not at all. Other cultures also have fantastic food. But why should we abandon the foods we grew up with? The foods our parents fed us. The foods that have nourished generations of Nigerians. Most Nigerian foods are highly nutritious. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, proteins, fiber, and best of all, probiotics. Foods that our bodies already understand and respond well to. Yet, when many of us leave Nigeria, we act like these foods do not exist anymore. Some of us say, I love to eat Nigerian food, but I don't know where to get it. The good news is that you don't have to miss out. Nigerian foods can be imported directly to you wherever you are in the world. Whether you are in the US, the UK, Canada, Middle East, Europe, or the Far East, Nigerian foods can get to you. And let's think about it. Whenever we patronize Nigerian foods, we are not only feeding ourselves, we are supporting the local economy, small businesses, manufacturers, farmers, and other people who work hand in hand to make those products available. We are helping local companies grow, create jobs, and strengthen our economy. One recurrent reason why a lot of people seem to boycott Nigerian foods abroad is the seemingly high prices. We will appeal to the sellers of Nigerian foods abroad to try as much as possible to engage in fair pricing so that our compatriots can continue to buy Nigerian foods and help our economy to grow whilst your own businesses are growing as well. I will appeal to you Nigerians abroad. Don't gatekeep. Expose your friends who are non-Nigerians to Nigerian foods such that they will also enjoy the goodness that you are enjoying and our economy can grow. Take pap for example. A good pap like Grandiose pap is a great morning food for you and your friends, whether Nigerian or non-Nigerian. Imagine if you eat Grandiose pap, it is gentle on your tummy. You gain a lot of nutrients from it. It contains fiber as well as a lot of probiotics, which is good for your gut health. Grandiose pap is also very suitable to everybody, whether young or old, and it contains no gluten. Imagine introducing your non-Nigerian friends to Grandiose pap with Akara or moi, and they end up loving it. That is how cultures begin to spread abroad, and Nigerian food will become a global food. We carry our language abroad, we carry fashion and our music. Now it is time to carry our food abroad. Let's stop seeing Nigerian food as something to leave behind in Nigeria. It is time to begin to celebrate our foods and share it with the world. Let's keep Nigerian food alive. Let's support Nigerian businesses. Above all, let us keep Nigerian culture alive. What Nigerian food do you miss the most when you travel abroad? Let us know in the comment section. Most Nigerian foods are highly nutritious.